I see every morning. The summit of my potential is rewarding. I seek every step of the arapauta. Ma ki tōku tau motherfuckers again. Until then, I'll keep exploring, absorbing, learning, weaving my knowledge basket bigger. Every step I take, I'm transforming, performing, walking all my talking. I see Tararua clearly. Before me, I'm nearly there. Being a mountain climber is hard when the obstacles of the ngahere are in your way. Yet Tāne climbed the heavens and his story is carved. If I give up now, I won't be known for the things I've done today. Winning an honourable mention award in May, having my artwork on display, creating music and films and get paid, all the hard work I have put into my dreams. I see Tararua, but I'm not here to stay. I am a mountain climber, metaphoric for goal achiever, hot stepper, mana wahine influencer, kaitiaki / protector, student and teacher. I am a fighter, I am a lover, I am a dreamer. My dream is to be a great tipuna, like my tipuna are to me. I believe being proud to be Māori is what fuels my feet. I see why whātonga named Tararua, because it's a beautiful sight to see. You see the twin peaks? One day, it'll be me up there once I've achieved my dream.